Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Ako po si Dwayne Woolley, isa po akong Australiano na may pusong Pinoy. Ngayong araw, panoorin natin ang reaction ni Shanta sa Miss Universe pageant. Alam natin lahat na nanalo ang Miss Philippines, Catriona Gray! Grabe, sobrang nakakatuwa ang expression ni Shanta, nagwaray pa siya. Kasi waray-waray yung native language niya. That's the language she's most comfortable in. So she's speaking waray and she's getting excited. Parang matapang na may pagkapabebe pa din. She didn't want me to film her and she doesn't want me to upload this video. Pero upload na lang natin. Panoorin mo ang reaction ni Shanta.
You're beautiful, shine like a star.
Uyam. Shanta parang bata. Miss Philippines is half Australian, half Pinay. Yan ang magiging itsura ng anak namin ni Shanta.
I'm good, Steve. I can't believe it's top 5 already.
Well, it's here. Here's your question. Canada recently joined Uruguay as the second nation in the world to make marijuana legal. What is your opinion on the legalization of marijuana?
About life. I'm for it being used in a medical use, but not so for recreational use. Because I think if people were to argue, what about alcohol and cigarettes? Well, everything is good, but in moderation. Thank you.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Nung sinabi ni Catriona Gray ng ganon, kala ko tanggal na siya. Kasi yung sagot niya parang hindi masyadong clear. Di ba? Ano siya, manalo ba ang Pilipinas? South Africa na.
The question. What is the most important lesson you've learned in your life, and how would you apply it to your time as Miss Universe?
I work a lot in the slums of Tondo, Manila, and the life there is it's poor and it's very sad. And I've always taught myself to look for the beauty in it, to look in the beauty in the faces of the children, and to be grateful. And I would bring this aspect as a Miss Universe to see situations with a silver lining, and to assess where I could give something, where I could provide something as a spokesperson. And this, I think, if I could teach also people to be grateful, we could have an amazing world where negativity could not grow and foster, and children would have a smile on their face.
Thank you.
Nababalo na si Shanta.
Oh my gosh! Winner now!
Please remove South Africa's head.
Nakabawi siya.
See all three of you later for your Get your all three impressions.
Ewan kasi.
Yun na ito.
Along,
See? Ang gown, sign ito.
Neo, Miss Universe return.
Uy, kausay niyo, oh my gosh. At kitahan mga lanterns ha. May lanterns. Kahit hindi yan ito Miss Universe. It's a sign. Ano na yun? Tugo. Kita. Huwag na kita, di ba? Mabaya na lakad. Maganda daw ko ka later. Relaxin. Miss Universe 2018.
Kaloka.
Kita nga. Nay, nakakita ka lumipit.
Magbabalo na ang asawa ko.
Ayun na ito. I'm watching you, Tia. I'm watching you.
It's time. I will now announce the second runner-up.
Baka sabihin Venezuela, yun pala Pilipinas ang nanalo.
Second runner-up is
Mali na
Venezuela.
naman.
Runner-up
Venezuela.
for Miss Universe is
Venezuela.
Venezuela. Congratulations, Venezuela.
Parang sila ni Chura, no? Ay, di rin. No, sa Philippines.
Only 2 women remain.
Philippines. Legs pa lang, winner ka na.
And Philippines, please come center stage.
Sa'yo na ang stage. Sa'yo na ang corona.
Wala, Shanta. Silang dalawa na lang.
Stop! Stop ko. You're ruining my moment.
Will take her place. Good luck to you both.
Hindi na ako na-shock. Kaya na winner. Philippines.
The new
Oh my
Miss
gosh.
Universe is
Philippines! Oh, see? See, I told you. I told you.
Yay! Shanta, panalo ang Pilipinas!
Nagdawin na ito na nak.
At tapos yun pala, Shanta, Steve Harvey comes out, oh wait, I have to apologize. South Africa pala ang nanalo.
Thank you, Catriona Gray.
Catriona Gray. Wow, Philippines! 2000 and...
Yeah!
Ayan, panalo ang Pilipinas! Woohoo! Sa wakas, maganda. Sobrang malakas yung sagot ni Miss Philippines. Abangan niyo po ang susunod ng mga video namin dito sa The Wanted Channel. Shanta is gonna be really mad at me for uploading this video. Pero sige na lang, bahala siya. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, keep the kids sa sunod ng mga video ng The Wanted Fam. Alright, bye-bye!
You're beautiful, shine like a star.